Welcome everyone. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thanks everybody. Whew. Bugs are trying to find me. I won't talk long because I don't want the black flies to find me and mosquitoes. Yo, we got some rain up here. Wow, up here in the wood hole we got some serious rain. Yeah, so we're gonna cut a balsam today, and it'll be kind of mixed up, probably a little bit of Fallin, some bucking, and limbing, and splitting, and loading it up. So it'll probably be broke up in a couple different videos, I would say. That's what I'm going to shoot for anyway. But today, on the I was going to leave the 500i at home, but then I had a fresh ground chain that I did last weekend. So anyway, I got a fresh ground FullHouse. The last video of the 500i you saw with semi-skip square ground on the square jig from Square Cutter. Thanks, Ed. Yeah, so we have a FullHouse on now, and we're going to run an 8-pin. And I took this, it's a Husqvarna chain, not the X-Cut, just the old X-Cut, or just the old Husqvarna chain, FullHouse. And I took it from round file right to square file, to square ground. And I took just a swipe off of the rakers to not be too hungry. Hopefully it's not too hungry. And like I said, I've got the 8-pin on there today as well to try it with this FullHouse to get that load on the saw quick. The quicker you load this saw, to me, the better. Also, we've got the JK Saw Shop 390 with the new muffler on it that you saw that short video, and on the live. We've got that today with a 32-inch FullHouse archer chain, hand filed, round hand filed. So we'll see you on the stump. Hope you're all having an awesome day. Here we go. Okay, here's our tree. This one right here, balsam with the root rot. And it goes up there. We're going back cut first. It's got a little swell in it, right? Like right here. It's got a sweep. You can see it sweeps back that way. Back cut first. Remember, get your wedge set as early as possible. Keep up with it so you don't lose ground, so the tree doesn't sit back on you. Get that wedge in there and follow your bar in on that back cut first. 500i, FullHouse. 500i, FullHouse. once you get your cut made on that back cut, once you get that first cut made, make sure you're lined up and get that wedge set hard. I set an extra wedge in there just in case something goes sideways. The wind's blowing, of course, right now, so oh, she's moving. We might have to tickle the front a little bit. Maybe. We might be on the center. Way cut up. There she goes. There she goes. Oh yeah, look at that stuff come down. Well, we had a little bit of holding wood over here, right here. And this side was cut off. This side was cut up, but it's down. And there's a stump right there for somebody to practice on at the next TazMan-Palooza. Right? Right. Okay, so I want to touch base on this. I just want to touch base on this situation. Okay, people say don't pound on snags. Don't, you know, I get that. I totally get it. But here's my thing about that. On this one, dead tree, right? Dead. Okay. And we don't talk much about it. I follow a lot of these balsams that are like this, and I'm sure there are people out there that wonder, oh, why is he pounding on wedges on a snag? Well, to me, let's see. I don't know how to put it, but anyway, I'm just gonna throw this out there. If you can look at the tree and see it, and see, and I know that it has the little conchs on it that show root rot, right? But also, look at this. Look at this. See this? This is on that tree, okay? Red needles. This tree hasn't been dead a long time. It's been dying, but it hasn't been dead for a long, long time. So there's still limb configuration. There's still needles on it. So that's the stump is solid. Let's go look at the stump again. You saw it from the GoPro shot, but let's look at this. Let's look at this stump, okay? Okay, see the stump? There's no rot. There's no rot in this stump. None. There's no punkiness around the edge. You can still see the rings in it, right? The growth rings. See the growth rings? Yeah, you can see that. Okay? Now if this tree was, if the bark was falling off of it and that kind of stuff, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do a back cut first, and I wouldn't pound wedges in it. I wouldn't beat on it. I would just follow it in the direction that it was laying, right? Follow it into its lay, into its lean, however you want to look at it. So that's why I felt comfortable doing the back cut first on this tree. Okay? I just wanted to stop and show that. Thanks, everybody. You rock. Anybody tell you how awesome you are today? Well, you're awesome. Totally awesome. Totally awesome. That's shot. That's shot. Wow, man, that's awesome. That's awesome. Little grabby on the stump. It was a little bit grabby on my undercut. Other than that, the back cut was good. Flat front face cut was good. That angled was a little bit whatever. But as far as bucking goes, Holy smokes. That's sharp, folks. That is sharp. Compression first, right? That's pretty impressive. 8-pin, full house, square ground. That's that 8-pin staying on that saw. Like I said before, I've said it before. The 8-pin on that saw is the biggest difference I've ever seen and experienced myself in a saw. From going from a 7-pin to an 8-pin, that saw needs it. That saw wants to eat. And it utilizes it. It utilizes that extra chain speed and absorbs that. It absorbs it better than any saw I've ever run with an 8-pin. Way better. FullHouse 32-inch. FullHouse 32-inch JK Performance 390. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for joining me on this cutting part of this adventure to the wood hole. I don't even know. I really don't even know what to say other than wow. That chain on that 500i. That's the fastest chain I've ever run. Fastest chain I've ever run. And I know I'm cutting balsam. But that is going to be fast in Doug fir as well. Or tamarack or pine or whatever gets in that thing's way is going to get eaten. That's all I can say. That is fast. This test with this muffler is an absolute success. The test of that chain with this saw configuration, nope, needs work. This will, like I said, the muffler is a success, but the chain, no, I can't wait to get a ground chain on it. It's in the works. Believe me, 32-inch full house square grind on this saw. Oh yeah, then there'll be a comparison with that for sure. I'm keeping that chain just the way it is right now, and I'm going to make some cuts with it down the road here in the near future probably. I'm going to cut with that, and then I'm going to put a fresh square grind on it, and then we're going to see what's going on. I might even just put a 28-inch bar on this, run an archer chain, and put that chain on it and see. Oh yeah, it's going to be awesome. All right, well, that's the end of this video, this part of it. The next part will be splitting and stacking and rallying out of here. Awesome. I love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling with all of you because of all of you. Thank you all so much. Johnny Arnett, I wish you were here with me, buddy, and I know you wish you were here too. Start making plans for Tazapalooza. Not exactly sure what the dates are going to be for 2024, but it's going down. Oh yeah, it's going down. There will be round 2. Be kind. Help one another. Oh yeah, and Daryl Smith, thank you, brother. You're awesome. Awesome. Everybody out there, I'm gonna pass this along, all right, buddy? I hope you're all right with it. I'm gonna pass this along. Everybody be awesome. So everybody around you is awesome as well. Awesome by association. Those are words of Daryl Smith. Justin Weaver's buddy. Oh yeah, Daryl Smith. You rock, brother. Keep on rocking, buddy.